keep an eye on my options and try and deal with my family. And so I'll be in here full
Understandable.
time tomorrow. Okay, guys.
Thank you, Steve. Be blessed.
All
Take
right.
care,
Thanks,
Steve.
brother. I'll reach out to you after the market.
Okay,
Okay.
Steve.
See you guys. Much love. Peace.
Peace. Nice that pullback right there.
And that might be the
into
biggest pullback we might get. I ain't gonna lie. So
Yeah.
we're gonna go ahead and take a look. Started here, 5 contracts, stop loss. Stop losses are for chumps. No, I'm playing. But we'll do about 50%. I want to see at least like 150. No lie. Smack that. All right, we're in there. We're in some SPX 6915 calls.
You're buying SPX.
SPX calls, stop losses. About a 50% stop loss, 150% take profit. I'll wait for a handful of people to get in here.
Yeah, I think it's gonna hit those highs.
Oh yeah, from 9:30 this morning? I think so.
Mhm. So how's everyone in the chat doing today? Fastliner, how's your payouts looking? How you doing, mac and cheese, Eric, Jonathan, Jack, Kubo, 714?
Hopefully. We get them another winning day today.
So hopefully see this push to the upside here. I think it's gonna happen.
I think it's gonna give us a crazy candle to the upside. I guess let me type this out. What do you normally do? You type out what you're in somewhere?
Or what do you mean?
Like on your chart?
No, I just type in your strike price and if it's a call or put.
SPX 6915 calls. Currently down about 8%. Another great example
Yeah,
that the shit is definitely tweaking a little bit. All right, it's about a 50% stop loss here. Not a fan of this pullback right now. The crazy push up. Take two, struggling to break out here. And E just dumping. Honestly, I kind of like Google for some more continuation or even NVIDIA. Either or. Both of them very similar trade setups. And also NVIDIA just had some news that just came out that they bought somebody out. I don't remember who. I think like Grok. But it's like GROQ. Not like the Twitter Grok. Pretty sure that was like what 26. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do start to rebound here. I'd like to take this up even higher. We got some buy side at 195. What's going on, everybody? What's going on? What's going on? Doing great today. It's been awesome. Let's go. What'd you end up taking today? What made it an awesome day?
Yep.
Kind of slow and steady. Just got to be patient here. If you're new here, pretty much we're trading on Surge options. If you use code Zeus, you get, what is it, 50% off? If I'm not mistaken.
Yeah. Yeah, 51, 50. Yeah,
You
something
get
like that.
51% off. You can be trading. Look at that. We're up 72 bucks already
Let's go.
from literally
I
just
see
being
it.
down.
The Dow Jones is going up.
Fuck Dow Jones. I do not like trading that thing. It just moves tremendously slow.
The Dow Jones?
Yeah.
Not in the mornings. Maybe right now.
Compared to NQ, everything moves slow.
Nah, YM's definitely faster than NQ.
Nah, faster than
1000%.
ES. Faster than ES.
YM is 30 companies average versus 100. Or
I mean
it's
that
not
does it.
not specifically 30 and 100 companies, but the cap is just different. Like the 30 moves a lot faster.
That
in the
just
mornings,
doesn't
at least.
dictate it. That doesn't dictate the volatility that NQ can bring. We could both take one contract right now in the same direction, and I promise you, one contract at NQ,
I'm
you're gonna
telling
get
you,
paid
the Dow
way
Jones
more.
moves more points.
Yeah, it might move more points, but it doesn't move
Yeah,
more in terms of money.
that's
If
what
we
I'm
both
saying.
take one contract, NQ is gonna make you more money.
See, we talking about different things. Yeah.
Well, that's what volatility. I would dictate what volatility is based on. How
I
fast
mean,
your money
everybody can
moves.
talk different. I consider it points, a unit of measurement across the chart. Volatility.
Feel that. Right now, we are doing absolutely nothing here on ES. Chipotle gang doing? Chipotle did really fucking good last week. Really good. He bought some 37.5s, took those up to the highs, and then we had a pullback today. CRM has just been a very slow and steady climb. Like, wait, isn't this how you trade? Like breakout trades?
Which one?
Look at
Only at the
CRM.
session opens.
Ah, okay. So like,
Yeah.
if it was to break
And
out right now,
high volume times, yeah. Very high volume times. Like, and it really depends on like pre-market session. Like if I see gaps in the market, I like to target the gaps.
yeah.
Otherwise, I'm following the trend too a lot of the time. Just understanding the proper breakout structure so you don't get faked out is really important, especially on the session opens.
Reach. Sound like we need a little AJ class, man. AJ does trading class.
Man, another mentorship course. I
Nah,
don't
do it
have
for
one, by the
do
way,
it for
guys.
free. Do it for free, bro. Give value.
Yeah, I mean it's all over the YouTubes.
Should to check
Start
him out.
doing more though.
AJ does
Yeah,
trading.
got to do a lot more.
Give him a follow. Follow him on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok.
Yeah, just made X. I don't have a TikTok though.
Get
I
you
need
on
to get
there.
on the TikTok. Yeah.
All we gotta do is do some dances together and we'll blow up.
I'm gonna. Got me fucked up.
Looking for a TikTok partner to do some dances with? Applications are now open.
So maybe, yeah. Yeah, this little retest here, hopefully, we get a push to the upside.
Yeah, we need that breakout
Here
to
hits
happen.
morning highs. Yeah. Like the breakage structure at 25,765 on NQ is what I would. Oh, fuck, we're not looking at NQ. pull up SPX.
NQ open now. But notice how you're having that pullback on NQ and ES is doing absolutely nothing. ES is like holding up. So that's
Well,
a
nine,
pretty good
nine,
sign.
12. Yeah, 912.37. Yeah, and then I think it would probably take up to like 69.20.
It looks like we're definitely gonna have a bigger pullback. For NQ here, what's gonna give me confirmation as well? Basically, both indices are in unison. That's like criteria for me to have like a really clean A plus setup. But if NQ can close above this 5-minute volume imbalance, I will go very, very heavy into calls.
Fuck yeah.
Pretty much just teetering back and forth. Do you trade common stocks at all? Like, do you ever just even look at them?
No, I've only really done futures. I started off doing like indices on Forex because it was such a low barrier for deposits, and then props were what I knew from there.
Yeah.
Then I've eventually found futures, which was like 20 times better, and I completely exited Forex as soon as I found futures.
Damn, I was watching
It's
Cat.
such a better thing. Way better. What do you guys in the chat think?
We're up
Futures, Forex, or
15%.
options?
Me personally, I'm futures and well, I mean, I trade futures regardless, like looking at the charts, but I would still say I like options more.
Okay.
There's your winning day, by the way, if you want to close these out. But mama ain't raised no hoe, so I gotta hold on to these. You gotta hold on. It's TP or nothing. Nah, it ain't TP or nothing. Not with this trade. This trade, I'll take this up to like 64. 64, I'll trim off like 5 contracts. It's about to get there.
So I run TP or nothing.
So like I
That's how I
used to
do it.
do that last year, but this year it was more so like I took a different approach. I kind of learned this approach honestly from Emmett, where it's like whatever your stop loss is, just set that as the 2-to-1. Like yes, our PT's up here, which I like know the market's gonna go to, but it's like if I'm risking 2 points, all I gotta do is make 4. Despite my PT being 7 points, I don't care about 7 points. As long as I get my 2-to-1, that's all I care about. And oh crap, we're about to close out some here. You're up a pretty good amount. We go ahead and partial these.
No DX trade execution. He's on Tasty Trade.
And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's about $350 for you. About $400. I guess at 3:30, we'll go ahead and find out who the giveaway winner is. It's about 15 minutes. If you haven't entered the giveaway, it's on my Twitter, Zeus Trades. ZEUSTRADES. That's how I do all of this long before the market moves. Nothing is hindsight. Everything is in real time, real execution. We sit through the ugly, we sit through the beautiful part of trading. That's just what comes with it. I see a lot of traders, if they were down 25%, how we just were, they would probably close the trade. But guess what? We just shot up to 50%. So it's like the risk to reward is there. You just got to trust your system. Celsius as well is moving really nice. I think we have Celsius on the Tasty Trade account, if I'm not mistaken.
I think so.
Kind of just been swinging that account. So I kind of want to do something big. Do a small account challenge. Thoughts, people, chat?
That'd be cool.
Like really small account. Like I'm saying, like $100 small account. Show people the slow and steady route. Otherwise, we could bring it back to 1,000. Like if majority of people aren't messing with $100 account, then we can switch it to like 1,000 and just grow it throughout the year. Highest I took a small account challenge was like $100 to 24K, and then back down to 14 because it started gambling, and then I stopped.
Stop, son. Stop, sir.
Say what?
Stop, son. Hit a 30%. Yes, yes. No, 100 is where we need it.
No, 100 is where you want it. That's the difference, and you can't control the markets. Our job is to follow the markets. I had to learn that the hard way, and I'm telling you this so you don't have to learn that the hard way too.
Write it down, guys.
Yeah, I could want this to go to 1,000% gain. I could want it all as bad, as bad as you. But guess what? If the market doesn't shoot up, an extra like 60 points in a matter of what we got 40 minutes left, you're just not going to get that return that you want. Right now, we're kind of stalling out here. So I feel like we trimmed probably perfectly at the top so far. We still got one contract left. Ideally want to see this ultimately run up to our last CP. I still do have a hard stop loss in place. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's minus 50%. So hard stop loss is at 0.74. And also, let me turn off this automatic take profit because if we do start to run here, we're going to hit pretty much 150% return on investment in the snap of a finger. So stop loss and take profit I just turned off, but ultimately I am watching the trade. If we go back to pretty much like down 20%, I'll close the trade. And that should net everybody at least like $300 if you followed along.
Nice.
Yo, 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 yo. I'll take the challenge. Giveaway announcement. Giveaway announcement will be in 9 minutes. 9 minutes. We will find out who the winner is here in 9 minutes. I have some app on my phone that pretty much we're just gonna spin it and we'll see who wins. As long as you are following, you liked and retweeted, you are entered. If you did 2 out of the 3, it automatically disqualified you. If you're not following, it automatically disqualified you. Yeah, if you didn't tag somebody, I think it automatically disqualifies you as well. So only the people that need to be in the giveaway are in the giveaway.
What you just said there?
I didn't enter shit. That's my alerts for NQ. We're about to be stopped out here.
Pearl? Huh. Well, guys, how's your experience been with the platform so far? make sure to tell us in the chat so we can get some improvements going.
Please do.
Not yet, Willie. Kevin's releasing the fixed version tomorrow. Everything should be fixed by tomorrow. Any bug you guys have, I mean, there might be new ones in the future, but we've pretty much ironed out everything. So that's good.
Pretty much we went back to break even now. Market starts to push back up here. You're back up break even. Yeah, Meta actually looks really good for this gap fill tomorrow.
Yeah, I like this week's price action.
You didn't like last week's?
I love every week's. I'd be killing it every day.
Dang.
But this week, I'm loving that shit. This morning was great. Super, super quick.
Did what 28K day?
Yeah.
8K. 8K does trading. Check them out. Pretty nasty.
That was nasty, yeah. Probably like at least 100, 200,000 in student profits in the markets. Insane.
They're really nasty. Yeah, we gotta take the prop firms a little more serious next year. We still gotta take profits. They've been doing pretty good. But definitely gotta expand to like the 20 Apex accounts.
No, I have 10 on that. Yeah, that was on 10. But I definitely want to get 20. I'm gonna pass 10 more tomorrow.
Then I think there's CPI or PPI, if I'm not mistaken. It's one of those two. Something.
Something like that, right? Billy, check your
Let's-
phone.
So we got FOMC tomorrow. Unemployment claims on Wednesday. So this Wednesday we'll have to take 40 accounts, 20 long, 20 short. The crazy thing is, bro, there was one time, this was before Top Step limited you to like only 5K payouts. Bro, I had an account that was up to 9K in profit, and I decided to full port that shit on NFP. Like it was like 5 contracts long or 5 contracts short, and basically both contracts got triggered. Account blown instantly. And it was just like, bro, that's why you just stay slow and steady. The moment you try to do something quick, really quick, yeah, your account's gonna be gone, or you're gonna lose probably most of your account.
Facts.
This price action is if we close below this volume imbalance here, pretty much at 9:59. I will stop out. Four minutes for the giveaway. Honestly, is Surge Alerts set up?
No, not yet. Not yet, sadly.
Could we do a special to make everybody here a winner?
Yeah, submit a Google Doc. Like send out a Google Doc.
Send me the link. I'll send it out. If you're here, we'll make everybody a winner here today. As long as you
Yeah, I
submit
can't
the
make it
Google
right
Doc.
now, but I can send you a Google Doc.
Yeah, no,
Probably
send
right.
from one of the older ones.
Yeah, I can't get those right now.
Ideally, I'm trying to make everybody here a winner. Trying to give everybody a free account, a free 50K eval. All you have to do is make what, 2,500 if I'm not mistaken? Is that correct, AJ? 2,500? And then I think you have about $2,000 as well in drawdown. Pretty simple. If you just follow our trades on Surge TV, you should pass it within a couple days. What just happened? Oh, I think I just got stopped out. Yeah, the trade just took me out. My issue was the non-zero DTE bug, but looks like you guys addressed that. Otherwise, it's good. If it blew one of my accounts, how do I get the reset that was discussed? Do I need to submit a ticket? Yes, Austin, please submit a ticket if you haven't. But yeah, we definitely just got stopped out. Also closed below my level. But let me go ahead and spin this wheel here and figure out who the giveaway winner is. Please shoot me a DM on Twitter. Or I'll DM you if I can DM you. All right, Mr. Herb. I think I'm saying that right. That name is at Herbie. Let's see. That's actually funny. Banks follows this guy. But major congratulations. Major congratulations to Herb. Herbie knows best. I will go ahead and make a tweet here right now. Triple check everything. All right, cool. Round of applause. All right, Herb, please shoot me a DM. Sending this message to you right now. This is actually pretty dope though. That's the fact of being able to help somebody. I feel like that matters just a whole lot more. Like I find it corny when you have people like going around Walmart and like buying people shit and then filming it. Just do a giveaway. It just makes more sense. Do a giveaway. Let somebody in your audience win. You feel good. You help somebody's life. It's a win-win for everybody. All right. Prosperous guy. I like the guy. Cool dude. All right. Herbie, please look at DMs. Check your DMs. And then as well, I will go ahead and get that Google Docs form for you guys. So pretty much everybody gets a free 50K eval account, courtesy of Zeus Trades and Surge Options. And if you want me to even streamline it, make it a little faster, if you just shoot me a message on X, I guess just send me a message saying Surge. I'll go ahead and get that squared away for you. Give me 2 minutes, please. Alrighty. Oh, what did we miss? All right, market is doing absolutely nothing. Yeah, currently trying to fast. Kind of been doing just water and lime. Haven't eaten anything in like 2 days. I would highly suggest everybody try it at the start of the year. Just fast. Just drink water. Fruits are optional. You just feel so much better. Clearer mindset, more discipline, ready to attack the year. Ready. Yes, as well. Please, I see some of you guys already DMing me. Just DM me search and I'll get that taken care of for you to get the free 50K eval account. If you don't DM me, I guess just wait until Kevin is online and I will send you a Google Docs form to fill out. This made 7K here. Want to learn from you as my new mentor. Just made 7K here. Let's go, Noah. Um, okay, chat is getting pretty active. All right. Grats Herb, Herbie Herb. Pretty cool name. That is very true. We're all winners. We're all winners regardless. You get a free 50K account. You can pass it. It's quite easy. Literally, if you just follow our trades, you'll be pretty good. That is also very true. Follow the trades, buy your own. It's an investment. Yeah, we're normally here on YouTube. DM you on Twitter. Yes. Just make sure it's actually me because I did change my username from like Zeus Trades with the Z to the N to Zeus Trades with the S. Um, don't be surprised if like some you're DMing some fake Zeus Trades. I've seen there's some other guy like Zeus Trades Incorporation. That's not me. It's not me. I have the same logo across all of my platforms. It's literally a Z and a T and a shape of a lightning bolt. If you don't see that logo, it's probably not me. Yes, and equilibrium blocks. Speaking of equilibrium blocks, Sam, if you are in here, um, Sam has been coding a really good equilibrium block indicator. Um, Something I do kind of want to ask the community about, the people that do use it, especially like a Prodigy, because he's actually really fucking nasty with it. Um, a way to even make it simpler. Because I feel like the way I'm explaining it, it's very simple to me personally. And to some people, they would say it's simple too. But it just doesn't, I guess it doesn't like resonate with people instantly. And that's something I want to improve on. Like, here's a good example. We literally retested this equilibrium block perfectly, exactly, to the penny. Then what happened? Rejection down. But I definitely do want to teach equilibrium blocks and go a little more in depth. Um, Probably even do like a full course. Nah, Tris, you don't have to send a screenshot. Um, Fasting is awesome. Did a 17-day water fast last year. Felt great. 17 days, like no food, no nothing, just water. no fruit, no salads, it's straight water. That's impressive. That's really impressive. All right, we definitely should be jumping into some puts here on something. Celsius still pushing higher. Take two still pushing higher. N and E, we are going to have to cut these. We're gonna have to cut these. Like, I'm giving it one more day, and that day literally has to be insane. We have to recover pretty much everything from today and then some. Otherwise, I will have to cut N and E. But this, regardless, is a very long-term trade. I was just kind of more so expecting this pushback to happen off of this like weekly/daily trend line right here. If you just start this from like pretty much the starting point to pretty much like a year later, we got the retest, but we are breaking it, which isn't good. It's not a good look. And the only way this trend line can still hold is if we see a massive candle back to the upside, something like this, where you like shoot back up and it's like a bullish engulfing candle. If we see something like that, then yes, this trade is still valid. If we close red tomorrow, I gotta cut it. But thankfully, we bought a lot of time to where it's not really gonna affect us too much. I really like NVIDIA as well. NVIDIA and Google both pretty much doing the same thing. Google's a lot stronger than NVIDIA. Google looks like we're about to go take out a new all-time highs here. Probably literally the start of the new year. So we go to look at this 1 year calendar. I guess it's not 1 year. What is it, 12 months? 12 months, yep. What a 12 months, man. What a 12 months. There goes your equilibrium block again presenting itself. Retest, blast off. It told you what was going to happen all the way back from January 2022. And then I'm pretty sure this year it even gave you a retest. Yeah, literally. Like, perfect retest. Water, tea, no solids, nothing. So what about soup? Because I don't feel like soup is a solid. Sammy Sam, how we doing, man? Oh, you guys are very welcome. It's what I was made to do. I like giving. I like helping. It comes back tenfold. Something my grandma always taught me, and I've seen it play out every single day in life. Give and you receive times 10. And for me personally, this is my way of like giving back to the community. I feel like you should always pour back into the people that pour into you. Anybody got any exciting plans for New Year's here? Yes, no, maybe so. Yes, the giveaway is Herb. I had announced it on Twitter. While I'm starting. I think the at name is Herb Knows Best. All right, 350 algo. Let's go ahead and get this tasty trade account up. It's time. All right, so pretty much 350 algo, we are rejecting this equilibrium block, but if we can somehow close above pretty much 960. Whoa. All right. And then as well, whoever was commenting about mentorships, I think I already hosted my last mentorship about like a month and a half ago. That was with Erica and a couple other people. Only took on like 4 people, and they're doing really really good. Everybody's already working towards their first payout. But I do take my Series 7 tomorrow, so that's kind of my main focus. And once I take my Series 7, I pretty much got to go start seeking out investors. But then I also have a really good opportunity right now with a really big hedge fund in London. So with that being said, I don't think I'll be doing any more mentorships. More so just educational classes. It just makes more sense. I gotta focus on my longer term goals here, which is always to open up a hedge fund. So that's gonna be pretty much eating up all of my time next year, 2026. But I'll definitely drop some educational content for you guys. Working on something pretty big right now as well. It's just taking a substantial amount of time. But it's like a 3 hour long course. Um, it's gonna teach you everything. It's 100% free. You don't pay for nothing. It's all free. And I think that should be like a very good, I guess, drop the mic. And I wouldn't leave the trading community, but just wouldn't be able to put as much focus into not so much the trading community, but like I guess Twitter and everything. Um, Kind of got to focus on bigger bucks here. So that would be eating up a lot of my time, but you know, I'm leaving you guys with something very, very good. It's a 3 hour long course, teaches you everything. I hope I explain it in a very simple aspect that everybody can understand. And if you still need help after that, then you could probably reach out to one of my previous students. I'm sure they're happy to help you. Open up the tasty trades here. Algo kicks in 1 minute. Try to get used to this platform a little better. It's not that bad. It just has a very long learning curve. SPX, SPX, where's SPX? Looking to take puts here. Oh, these puts are freaking ugly. Fingers on these puts. Damn, this thing didn't fill me. I'm in these 6905 puts. Bro, this thing will not fill me. No. I'm literally up like 50%, but it won't fill me. It won't even let me exit the trade. That's so stupid. This is so dumb. Ah. This is so dumb. Well, we just ended up closing that for $5 in profit. I'm still trying to get used to this Tasty Trades platform. It's really not friendly at all when it comes to doing trades like this. It's not very rewarding. Yeah, I wanted to take puts again off that pump, but it's too late. We got 40 seconds left. Now the contracts are back up. And this is why I love SPX at the end of the day. It doesn't take much. You just got to be really quick. Tasty Trades, you're gonna have to get used to the platform if you are gonna trade with Tasty Trades on it. But overall, good day, great day. Made some money earlier, pretty much taking this up, and then we made like literally $10 taking some puts. We saw a whole lot more profits, just couldn't exit quick enough. But it is what it is. Nonetheless, very good day. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. Stay safe. Happy holidays. Congratulations to Herb. And please shoot me a DM for a free 50K eval account. You can just DM me on Twitter at Zeus Trades, ZEUSTRADES. Hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day and take care.